I would just like to brief you about the latest developments in the district regarding the fight against COVID-19. Just I will first tell you the numbers of patients which are there. We have as of now around 48 active cases in the GH which are under treatment. Yesterday we got 8 more cases, positive cases, and today we have discharged 3 people, so that takes the number of active cases in the GH to 48. But that's not the main point. The main point is that all these cases, the 8 cases and the majority of the previous cases, these are those cases which have history of foreign travel. All these people are those people who have come in from outside. Karaikal still is getting cases which are people who have come in from outside Karaikal, outside the border areas. Despite the strong border check controls, border checkposts being operational, still people are managing to come inside. We have a very strong e-pass system which is working, but still people with having infections are managing to come inside. The main point which I want to emphasize is that please, if I want to appeal to all the residents of Karaikal, that if you have any information about anyone who is coming into the district from any area outside hotspot areas, please inform to the health authorities immediately about such people. And if any of the people who are under home quarantine or who have given samples are roaming around here and there without informing, then please inform to the health authorities also. That is one part of the message. The second part of the message which I want to emphasize again, and which is most important, is that social distancing has to be maintained. Wearing of face masks, practicing social distancing in not only in public places but also in your private places. We are all aware of a case in Karaikal whereby one person who was a palm reader of sorts, he has infected around 16 different people, and majority of them are from his own family. So social distancing does not mean social distancing in public places but also in your private lives, because majority of the carriers are asymptomatic carriers. If we have to control the spread of this virus in the district, we have to practice social distancing. The residents of the districts, I am very happy to note that most of them in public places are wearing masks, almost 99%. But social distancing is something on which we are still lacking. Social distancing has to be enforced in order to break the chain. Fortunately, the district had not had a surge of cases as we were expecting. But now is very critical time to ensure that through social distancing we are breaking the chain. We are stopping the spread of the virus in the district as much as possible. That is most important. I would also like to brief that Karaikal District Administration, in coordination with JIPMER, has already set up a TrueNat testing facility in the JIPMER campus itself. They are in the process of getting the ID from the Government of India, and by next week we will be starting TrueNat testing in the JIPMER campus within Karaikal itself. This TrueNat testing can do daily of approximately 40 tests per day. Also, GH Karaikal will be getting a TrueNat testing machine by next week. So 40 plus 40, we will have a testing capacity of 80 to 90 tests, TrueNat tests per day within the district. So that is an happy news. We will also try We are already doing RT-PCR testing. We will also try to ramp up other testing infrastructure within the district also. This is one thing. The second thing which I would like to highlight is that we have also received around 7 ventilators from the PM CARES fund. So those have also been received yesterday, and they will be installed within the GH. Now GH will have close to 20 ventilators within its premises. So that will be taking care of our immediate requirements within the government hospitals with respect to treating corona patients. So these are all the things which I wanted to share with you. But the most important part of the message is that the only way we can fight this problem is through social distancing. We have to emphasize social distancing as much as possible in public lives, in private lives. This has to be made part of our life, daily routines. It is not as if that 1 hour you are practicing and the other hour you are not. 24 hours it has to be made a part of your psyche, of how you think, of how you behave. Only then we will be able to control the spread of this virus. Because we see that all our health personnel, our sanitary workers of the municipalities, communes, police people, they are 24/7 on the field, doing surveillance, checking. We have to support their efforts. And this is a long haul. This is an exercise which has to be made part of our daily routines. This is a long haul. And if we are able to do this, practice social distancing, we will be able to fight this crisis successfully. So please stay safe, stay healthy, and as much as possible stay indoors only.